Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record shows on Directv stream. Just all I have to do is follow my steps until the end, and let's begin the tutorial. Alright, and so the first step here, what we need to do, we just need to go and use the browser. In that case, I'm going to use Google Chrome because it's my favorite one, and then we just need to head to Google. And now once we are in Google, we're going to search for Directv stream, and then we can see here a lot of information about it. It says Directv stream is a premium streaming multi-technical television service offered in the United States by Directv, which is this the offered, and the source is Wikipedia. And also we have more information about it, founded, headquarters, parent, formerly, and so on and so forth. All right, and so in order to use it, we just need to go and open this website here because this one is sponsored, as you can see. So we go down and then we click on DirecTV Stream, which is live stream TV on mobile and streaming devices. We click on it, wait a few seconds, and now as you can see here, we have the website opened already. And so we can sign in by click on the sign in button up to the right corner, which is this one, or we can create a new account in order to be able to use this website. Also, we have many bundles. We can use one of these and you can try for free, by the way. Probably it's going to be 7 days or a month. I'm not sure about it. And also they have this one, which is looking for Spanish packages, and you can use this as well for the Mexican people that are in the United States. All right, and so the method here or the application that we are going to use is going to be called OBS, which is my favorite one I'm using to try to record this show. You just need to sign in and then download the OBS. Once you download it, you can run it and then you can use it in order to record the shows in this website. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.